Hi lovelies, and welcome back to yet another vlog. Today I didn't even think I was going to vlog, but apparently it turns out that I can vlog after all. So we are here at Siton Crew, yes, at the beach. This is our official first time at the beach. Hold your brother's hand. Yes, you guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, you are more than welcome. Do well to click on the subscribe button. That way you get notified every single time we upload a new video, which is at least once every week. All right, so we are here in a convoy. We're about 4 families all together, and we've just come to unwind. See, let me step into the sun. The sun is sunning. The rain fell earlier, so the ground is a bit wet, but it's not going to stop our shine. We have enough to eat. I don't think we'll be able to finish everything that we brought today. Eventually we might have to share it up and just let everybody just take their food home. But you guys, we are all here. We first miss road, but eventually we are all here together. You guys, I cannot wait to be there. Let's first consolidate all this, our plenty load together, and then I'll catch up with you guys in the course of the vlog. You guys, if anyone told me that it would take me this long to actually visit a beach after the last time I actually visited a beach, this was back in South Africa, by the way, I would have disagreed seriously with the person and said it was impossible because I so much love the environment. But anyway, you guys, let's get a quick word from today's sponsor. Today's video is proudly sponsored by Gaovot, and they've sent me a couple of items to unbox in the video today. So Gaovot is a fast-growing fashion brand, and they have sent me a couple of items, and the link to their website will be in the description box as usual. They've also been gracious enough to give my subscribers some amazing discounts. This is the first item I got. It's a lantern top, and I love the fit of this on me. The second one is the latest addition to my Maria Maka collection. I love this dress, and I love how versatile and how, you know, easy it is to wear. It's also very great for winter because I can layer up underneath. This is the third item, and it is just a really lovely thick midi gown, and I love the fit of it. It's not too clingy, it's not too short. You can see me here wearing it with leggings, but you can absolutely do without it. I love the v-neck. I love how easy it is to accessorize with this particular one. And yes, this is the fourth one. This one I absolutely love because it has so many things that make me just endear it to me. I love the U part of the cut underneath. I love the fact that it has pockets. It is such a great sell for me. It's perfect for church, it's perfect for outings, and this has to be my absolute favorite of this entire collection. It is this mini gown, and I love the layers of it. I love the gathers, I love the neckline. I love everything about it, you guys. You guys know what to do. The link to their website will be in the description box along with my discount code for you guys. Thank you so much again to Gaovot for sponsoring this segment of the video. They have such an amazing collection on their website. All right, you guys, let's get back to the rest of today's video. So this is how we started out with our visit to the Siton Crew. You guys should absolutely check this beach out. It was really fun to be at. So this was us, everybody trying to get ourselves together. We took some pictures here as a couple, as individuals, and it was really nice. And then we made our way down to the beach. The boys had already abandoned us at this point and had gone to play in the sand. It was such a lovely day. The weather was so nice. It started out really rainy, but then it cleared up, and then we were able to go and finally start having fun. So this is just us dragging ourselves, and when my leg hit the sand, you guys, it was game over. I absolutely loved the feel of the sand underneath my feet. It was so good. My boys had fun. This one was all over the place. It was such a fun day. Everybody started holding on to their children as we were approaching the water, because we were just, I wanted to put my feet in the water because it was just calling me from where I was standing, and you can see it's quite a distance, so we had to walk down. And one thing I noticed about this particular beach is that the particles or the sand of the beach is really not like anything I've seen before. I don't know why it had some black particles, or black stone or black sand. I don't know what it was, but you guys will see as soon as we step into the water. So everybody here was just holding on to their children, making sure that children were, held, because these children were starting to get too adventurous. Look at my own son. I had abandoned the person I was holding him. Are you scared? What is all of this? And these are the black things I was telling you about. So I don't know what they are, but I'm sure they're just pebbles or whatever, breakdown of sand or whatever. The water was really nice. The weather was really good, and you guys, I had fun. It was such a fun day. Asha, look up. Did you dance? Oh, beautiful. Isn't that nice? It's so cool. We're not going past this level. We're not going past this level. We're not going past this level. I like it. You're being so adventurous. Don't let go of my hands. Don't let go of your mommy's hands. You like it? Yes. You guys, I don't care how old or young you are. Once your leg enters this water, you will play like a child. Everybody was so taken by, the feel of the water underneath their feet. But it was just, it was a time to be careful because, we had children and everything. And then we played some games around the beach. This was just us moving away from the water because of the children. And then we started to play some games. We had fun. I personally had fun. You guys, I don't know about any other person that went there, but I was completely blown away. Asha, come back here. I can't remember the last time I played this game, but it must have been a good number of years ago. I was so terrible at it. I could not keep my balance for the life of me. I could not keep my balance. I lost. I was the first person to be cut off. But it was fun, you guys. As the ladies were playing this game, the men were playing football somewhere around. You get to see that in another clip. Israel, I'll see you enjoy your life. Because the color match it here. Try. What did you use it? Want to find learning, want to be master. Alright, so as we were starting to have more fun, the rain started to fall again, and then we had to go under like a covered section to just have our meal. I brought asun, someone else brought grilled chicken, someone else brought grilled beef. It was just so much to eat, and we had lots of drinks as well. The children had fun. We were just chilling here and just eating our meat, and it was so much meat. We eventually had to share it up, like I said in the beginning. There was just too much food to eat, and we eventually had to share it up, and then everyone took their portion home. But all in all, you guys, it was really fun. Again, I had to go back to that beachfront because I just couldn't get enough of it, and In my head, I was like, when next do I know I'll be here again? So I dragged my husband there this time around, and I made sure that we took some pictures. We also made some cute little videos with the boys as well, and it was really fun to see you guys. Alright, you guys, so I don't understand. The weather was just up and down, you know. Some of us that could stomach the weather, we just decided not to put on any jacket, but for some people they just had to put on some jackets or some warm clothing just to stay warm. Also, before we went back home, we just gathered here and we're just talking and chit-chatting. These chairs were completely covered in algae, but it was not sticking to our clothes for some reason. I don't know.
Honestly,
so we're just sitting here. The ladies were talking about some of our weird pregnancy cravings and experiences, and the men were talking about politics and football and, you know, all the things that men talk about. And then it was finally time to take pictures, and God, it was a struggle to get the children to stay together and take pictures. It was such a struggle. It took a really good minute to get them together to take a picture. But anyway, we eventually found some pictures that we could take, and they cooperated for a few seconds and we took some pictures. And then it was time for the mummies, and then it was time for the daddies. All in all, you guys, it was a fun day, and I would do it all over again in a heartbeat.
My hair is a mess, but I had fun. You guys, I had fun today.
Qatar be damned, cold be damned. You guys, if you plan on coming here, I would highly suggest that you come in a group. The more the merrier. It is always fun to come in a pack. It is never a dull moment in this place. There's so much to do, there's so much to see. I also noticed that as we were leaving, we saw a lot of people holding gelatos, and I made a point to myself.
One next to come, we'll get the gelato.
Ice cream!
No.
It's a beach again!
Did you guys have fun?